Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Grow a Boyfriend is probably one of the most hilarious and unique gag gifts you'll ever come across, offering a quirky and amusing solution for those who are tired of the dating scene or simply appreciate a good laugh, as this novelty item promises to deliver a boyfriend with minimal effort and maximum amusement, making it a perfect choice for white elephant parties, birthday surprises, or just a fun way to add some silliness to someone's life. Number 5. Archie McPhee Yodeling Pickle. Get ready for hours of mindless entertainment with this unique musical toy. It's fun for everyone, regardless of age. This delightful novelty is perfect for anyone looking for a bit of quirky fun. It's a guaranteed conversation starter. Struggling to find a gift for the person who has everything? Look no further. This yodeling pickle is the unexpected present they'll never forget. No need to search for batteries. This toy comes ready to yodel right out of the box. Just unwrap and enjoy the fun. Prepare for endless amusement with this delightful novelty. Its charming yodels provide light-hearted entertainment whenever you need a smile. This fun item comes in a vibrant multicolored design, adding a splash of color to your entertainment. It's as visually appealing as it is amusing. What we like? This offers endless, mindless fun with no assembly required. If you're looking for a quirky gift that's guaranteed to get a laugh and provide amusement for ages, this is it. It's perfect for the person who seemingly has everything, but is missing a yodeling pickle. What people say. The sound is clear and actually really beautiful. The yodeling. Oh boy. It's ridiculous. It's like someone hired a yodeler, made them stand in an echoey bathroom, and then compressed the audio into the tiniest speaker possible. The result? A shrill, hilarious burst of musical nonsense that makes everyone stop mid-conversation and ask, "What the heck is that?" The pickle is surprisingly durable, too. It survived being dropped, thrown, during a particularly spirited gift exchange game. Number 4. Forum Novelties Grow a Girlfriend Gag Novelty. Are you looking for a companion? We have the perfect solution for you. It's the ideal partner that won't nag or complain. Imagine growing your own perfect mate. This unique novelty allows you to do just that. It's a fun and quirky way to have a companion. Tired of arguments? This companion is designed to be agreeable. It's the hassle-free partner you've always dreamed of. There's a surprising twist. When you take it out of the water, you'll see it slowly shrink. It's a fun and unexpected feature. If finding a date is a challenge, we have the answer. Grow the perfect mate with this hilarious novelty. It's a great gag gift. What we like? This offers a companion that's low maintenance and always agreeable. If you're looking for a humorous solution to dating woes or just a quirky desk buddy, this is your pick. It's ideal for those who appreciate a good laugh and a bit of novelty. What people say. It's just a good gag gift that I will be including in our Christmas siren ball this year. Or maybe slip into my husband's stocking. My teenage grandsons thought it was hilarious. Very much worth the fun. My Aussie husband is part of a bocce club. Every Friday they have lunch and sometimes celebrate a member's birthday. Funny man that my husband is, he presented this gag gift to the birthday boy who happens to be single and who is always getting razzied about it. Killed it. Number 3. Crochet Potato Romantic and Naughty Gift. Looking for a funny and flirty gift? This cheeky crochet potato is perfect for adding a little spice to your relationship and making him feel adored. Show him he's the only one for you with this cute plush. It's ideal for birthdays, Valentine's, Christmas, anniversaries, or any time you're feeling extra affectionate. Handcrafted with love, this crochet potato is a unique keepsake. It's a reminder of how much he's appreciated and how much he's on your mind. Whether it's a special day or just because, this little spud is a playful way to say you're head over heels. It's a sweet and slightly naughty surprise. This potato plush is perfect for keeping the romance alive. It blends humor and affection for a gift he'll love to see anywhere. What we like? This provides a unique blend of affection and playful innuendo. If you're searching for a romantic yet humorous gift that's sure to be memorable, this is the one. It's perfect for partners who appreciate a cheeky surprise on special occasions or just because. What people say. This little guy is cute, soft, and great quality. Awesome craftsmanship. The detail on this little guy is good. It looks just like the photos and is soft and squishy. It's soft, seems well made, and is the perfect size to sneak into a stocking or as a tag-along to another gift. Number 2. Chia Pet Bob Ross Planter. This kit has everything you need to get started. It includes a unique pottery planter, a drip tray, and chia seed packets for 3 plantings. In just a few short weeks, your chia pet will achieve maximum growth and enjoy a luscious green coat. Simple instructions are included to guide you. These planters can be washed and replanted indefinitely. The fun never stops with these CHCHCH Chia Pets. They make the perfect and affordable gift for any budget. Both kids and adults will love watching them sprout and develop into a hilarious creation. The variety is endless. They come in all different shapes and sizes, including your favorite characters. Watch your collection keep growing. What we like. This offers a rewarding and visually appealing growing experience. If you enjoy hands-on activities and want a charming decorative piece, this is a great choice. It's suitable for anyone, from kids to adults, who loves a bit of greenery and pop culture. What people say. Watching Bob Ross's iconic hair sprout was a fun experience, and it made a great conversation piece. Great for gifts or on your mantle. His afro starts growing pretty quickly. It's nice that the package of seeds are enough for more plantings. It's a fun and easy indoor gardening project. Number 1. 50 Ways to Eat Cock, Healthy Chicken Recipes. Discover a world of flavorful and healthy chicken dishes. This collection offers creative ways to prepare your favorite poultry. Are you looking for new and exciting ways to cook chicken? We've got you covered with 50 unique and tasty recipes. Enjoy simple yet satisfying meals that are perfect for any occasion. These recipes are designed to be both easy to follow and incredibly delicious. Make healthy eating a breeze with these wholesome chicken recipes. You'll love how easy it is to create nutritious and mouth-watering dishes. This is your ultimate guide to cooking chicken. Explore 50 fantastic recipes that will become staples in your kitchen. What we like. This presents a collection of recipes with a provocative twist. If you're looking for a cookbook that's both functional and entertaining, this is a bold option. It's ideal for adventurous cooks who appreciate a bit of humor and are looking to spice up their chicken dishes. What people say. Believe it or not, there is actually recipes in the book to cook chicken in different ways, and they are good. A good gag gift and a cookbook all in one. Great recipes, too. So not only is it a great gag gift, but it also useful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.